So they do ask for donations. Just tap. It's all contactless, digital now. And this is where you find the pelicans, the majestic birds. A mysterious arrival, 1996. An unusual white pelican arrived near South End.
Was a bit of a hike from South End.
So he donated it to St. James's Park, the white one. But they've been here for 350 years, generations of pelicans, and they can live up to 50 years, the life of a pelican, up to 50 years old. So let's look for the pelicans there. Let me see. So far I see ducks.